Ryker's journey started as a sad story. His previous owner wanted him euthanized because he was just skin and bones. He was neglected, abused, starved, and left at death's doorstep. Ryker was also suffering from severe mange, ear and skin infections, and a heart murmur. Fortunately, animal rescue Friends of Faye intervened and gave Ryker a second chance at life. He was placed in a foster home, and his new life begins. Ryker was on the brink of death when he came to his foster mom, Hillary. But with the emergency veterinary care and proper food and medical attention, Ryker started to recover.
Good boy. Good boy.
And in just 6 weeks, he went from a bony dog to a healthy husky.
Mikey, that's a chicken. Look how good you look. Oh my goodness. Oh, right. Chicken. Good boy.
His foster family described him as a ray of sunshine, the strangest dog they have ever met, and a goofy and a loving dog.
Good boy. Shake. Good boy. Down. Sit. Speak. 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 Oh my goodness. Yeah? What do you mean? Ryker, what do you mean? Tell me all about it.
Ryker's magical transformation continued, and after a couple of months, he was ready to find his forever home. Even though his foster parents were sad to see him go, they knew his best life was ahead of him.
Say hi!
Hey, Ryker.
So those are your parents. Okay. Oh, good boy.
Ryker thrived in his new home, where he got a brother who was also a husky, and they quickly became the best of friends.
Are y'all saying we're husky brothers?
I know, right?
Did we just become best friends? What? Oh my goodness.
His new family had a big yard to roam free in, plenty of toys and dog beds. And 2 loving and caring parents. Throughout his journey, Ryker showed an incredible will to live, wagging his bony little tail from day one, and then suddenly he remembered he's a husky and started talking, and he never stopped. Ryker was a reminder that rescue is hard, but every once in a while, a dog comes along that changes you, rewires your entire being, your entire mindset. Dogs like Ryker teach us that our bodies can be beaten, starved, and broken, but our souls, our spirit are unbreakable. Ryker's story is a reminder. Just like Hillary said, that the beauty of rescue is in the collective, the collaborative moments that change lives. In this case, the rescue community came together, no matter age, sex, creed, or color, to save Ryker. Ryker's journey showed us that even if some people see him as just a dog, the love and kindness that we show him can transform his life, and he can transform ours.